Good morning. It's the 31st of August 2012. The market opened here at 3:30. We're looking for a possible run up to this deep area, which is a confluence with the larger deep area on a fib area. It didn't happen. Kind of gradually coming down. Now we're coming to another major fib here for a potential reversal. I put this alert up just in case it drops quickly and I'm not looking. So we'll see what happens. Okay, we're coming down to this major fib. There's my alert. You know, I use that just in case I'm not watching, doing something on another screen. And now I want to watch carefully for a bar setup and potential reversal here. Got plenty of separation on the 610, kind of, or on the rail with 987, so that's not a good indicator that we could have a reversal. This guy could easily bounce. This guy could bounce up. This guy could bounce up. So we got a potential reversal. This deeps area is pretty big, a number of points on this large scale fib. Whoops. So we could reverse at any point, right like that. Okay, we had some quick bars in here, and now they're moving back up. Just kind of the wildness, I guess, because Bernanke speaking today. I guess you call it Fed Day. Probably not a good day to trade, especially if you're a tenderfoot like me. Okay, we could have a signal for a long fire here if 610 completes above this lower Bollinger, which it looks like it will do. Getting a lot of orders coming in. So I'm going to get ready for that.
Order pending.
Here we go.
Order filled.
Alright, we're in for a long. And we'll take a pause till we get some reaction here. Okay, we're making a little progress on this trade, coming back up to
Target filled.
Alright, we got a point. I'm going to move this up. Don't want this to turn into a loser. Okay, we got both of our targets filled. That's a pretty sweet trade for a Fed day, and I appreciate the way that the MACDs work. This is a real powerful move indicated by the 610. There was some space here between the BBs and the Bollinger Bands. This guy was on the line, so didn't have resistance from these big guys on their move up. Okay, here is my result for today. 3.5 points profit, and my main point for myself is to rely on the indicators and often get too smart, ha ha ha, to do that and pay the price. Now this was a counter trade because trend had been down, but I waited patiently for this Indy to say that, hey, we've got something more than a pullback, and sure enough, it worked out. Best of trading to you. Have a great holiday weekend, and see you next week.